Hi, it's Rick from Do It Yourself Vintage Camper Rescue. Today I'm going to talk about when you first purchase a trailer, looking at a trailer. If you open the roof and see this stuff, they put this roof sealant or whatever it is on the edge trying to stop the leaks. That ain't the way to do it. We're going to go through the proper way to seal your roof channel here, roof edging. But when you see this junk right here, that gives me nightmares, I'll be honest. It is hard to get off. It can ruin roofs. Thankfully, I'm going to go up on top. I'm going to show you. They didn't do the whole roof. They only did the edges. A lot of people do everything, all the seams. You can see on the other side, I was trying to get some of that cleaned off because I'm going to have to pull that edging off. On this part here, right here on this edge, because that's a good solid metal, you can use a wire brush on a grinder to get that loose. Because you either have to replace just that, or you could be able to reuse it if you can get it all off. But you really got to be careful if it's on the roof itself. Like here's a little bit here. You need to be careful with that metal brush. You could put a hole through in a hurry if you're doing it on a wire wheel. I personally am going to probably replace this panel from the back to the front. It looks like it's about an 8-10 foot piece. I'm just going to replace that. I don't know the exact cost yet. I got a local semi dealer not too far away that I can get my stuff from, and that's what I'm going to do. So with the wire brush, I ain't got to be as careful because, like I say, I'm not going to be reusing this piece of the roof. But if you see that junk put on there, be prepared for a lot of work or replacing the metal up on the roof. Thank you and have a great day.